water is coming, going down to the place there. It's the main level of the falls of Libtong, Ilong. So just try to imagine how wide is it. And of course, the rock formation, tiny rock formation. Sana po yung magustuhan ninyo at pasyalan ninyo itong aming lugar na so here, from this place here, we go down, slowly go down, and I'm taking videos on the next level. It's the second level, a small area in which pwede pong maligo ang at least 5 to 10 persons itong lugar na to. But that main falls there, even 50 people or 40 people can swim. And here, the next waterfalls is so a minimal waterfall. Here, the first one, and on the other side we have a sliding part where you can have an experience of slide. So sliding going down to that part, and the third smaller level of the Libtong Ilong Falls. There, where the two falls are seen. And reach that part, and of course, to that part there, until reach that down. So I'm taking a video on how to go down from that main falls. So let's take a look again of the main falls before we go down. Okay, and then it was covered by that part of rocky portion there, but still it's wide, and the bank from the roots of the tree. So try to imagine how hard it is to climb that rock. You can even experience a rock climbing activity here if you want. Okay, so I'm now going down slowly. Okay. So I'll be and I'm now to go down. I'm about to go down, going to the lower portion, and there they are. Let's take a look at the main falls again. There's a two smaller falls. Okay, so that's my cousin, Itoy. Yan. Ginabidyo ko ikaw. Yan. Oh, say please, please. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Okay, yan. Hi. Okay. Let's try to see how to go down there. Oh, that's Abdul and my brother-in-law. And of course, it's the fourth level now. Fourth level. And there. Yan. So. Okay. So I'm going to take a video footage of on how to see. Toy, baba na, baba, baba. Kaya pabo yung tikanikan. Hop! Yan. That's my brother-in-law. Yan. It's the root, one kind of a root of the tree, which is a strong one. We used to use it for support in climbing. Going to the next level. Okay. And then, pabot na. Okay. Yeah. So, see how strong that root is. Okay. I'm now about to go down. And itas ko lang. Itas ko lang. So it is now the 4th level of the Libtong Ilong Falls. You see. So now we go down to the next. That's my brother-in-law and all of the friends and family here. So it's the 4th level going down. So we come to the 5th level. There, the 5th level of the falls. The 5th. And of course down there, right behind JJB is the 6th level. So I'm going to have a closer look, to take a closer look. And the 6th level. Okay, Erika. Oo, papayuan ko lang. Han, dahan-dahan ka dyan. Dahan-dahan ka. See, the sports there. Okay. The children are enjoying their jump. So that's the part of the river which goes down directly to the sea. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you more friends and family circle. So the one who took the video is of course me, Fernando.